Hi guys, welcome to AES Online English classes, okay? Today we are going to study Book 1, Unit 11, okay? Book 1, Unit 11. But before, let's see the greetings for today, okay? First, hi, how have you been? Repeat after me. Hi, how have you been?
Hi, how have you been?
Very good. Hi, I've been fantastic, thanks.
Hi, I've been fantastic. Thanks.
Very good, excellent. With this you can say, ¿cómo has estado? ¿Cómo ha estado todo? Y la respuesta, pues, he estado bien, ¿de acuerdo? Now let's go to our vocabulary. As I told you, Unit 11, okay? Let's talk about the house. Here we have the vocabulary, and you need to repeat after me, okay? Picture number 1, bathroom. Repeat it, bathroom.
Bedroom.
Good. Picture number 2, bathroom.
Bathroom.
Excellent. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Good. Living room.
Living room.
Dining room.
Dining room.
Garage.
Garage.
Excellent. Basement.
Basement.
Yard.
Yard.
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
Washing machine.
Washing machine.
And bathtub.
Bathtub.
Very good, guys. If you look at the pictures, you will have a better explanation about this vocabulary, okay? Estamos hablando de las partes de la casa. El cuarto, el baño, la cocina, el yard, si pueden ver acá, yard. Estamos hablando del patio y así sucesivamente, ¿ok, chicos? Now, let's do this. Let's make a question about this vocabulary. La mejor pregunta es la siguiente. Cuando vamos a preguntar, lo hacemos de la siguiente manera. How many bathrooms are there in your house? How many bathrooms are there in your house? Repeat after me. How many bathrooms are there in your house?
How many bathrooms are there in your house?
Very good. Okay. Suppose in your house there is just one. If it is singular, si hay uno solo, respondemos, there is one bathroom in my house. Repeat it. There is one bathroom in my house.
There is one bathroom in my house.
Okay. Now, let's suppose that in your house there are 2 or 3 or 4. You know what? I'm talking about plural. Si no hay uno, sino que hay más de uno, no utilizamos there is, utilizamos there are. For example, there are 2 bathrooms in my house. There are 2 bathrooms in my house. Repeat it, please. There are 2 bathrooms in my house.
There are 2 bathrooms in my house.
Very good. Now, let's make a yes-no question. Para las yes-no questions, siempre vamos a preguntar con there are, ¿ok? Pero invertido. For example, are there 2 bathrooms in your house? Are there 2 bathrooms in your house? Repeat after me. Are there 2 bathrooms in your house?
Are there 2 bathrooms in your house?
Okay. If it is positive, you say, yes, there are 2 bathrooms in my house, okay? But if it is negative, you say, no, okay? There aren't bathrooms in my house, okay, guys? Now, let's check what did we learn today. How many kittens are there in your house? How many kittens are there in your house? Okay, question number 2. How many yards are there in your house? How many yards are there in your house? What about bathrooms? How many bathrooms are there in your house? How many bathrooms are there in your house? Okay, let's make this to finish. Are there garages in your house? Are there garages in your house? Now let's continue with the practice. Let's make a role play. Is this one at the real estate agency, okay? So be prepared.
Hello.
Welcome to AES Real Estate Agency.
Okay,
Sit
thank
down.
you.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Thank you. I am looking for an apartment.
Okay, we have big apartments and small apartments. So,
I am looking for a big apartment.
okay, in this case, at this moment, we have a big apartment with 3 bathrooms. There are 3 bathrooms in that one.
Oh, okay. Is there a large kitchen in the apartment?
Yes, there is a large kitchen, and not only that, and there is
Bathrooms?
Yeah, we have a big, large dining room too in that
dining room.
kitchen. Yes.
Great. How many bathrooms are there in the apartment?
Where there are 3 bathrooms.
Three
Okay.
bathrooms,
Yes,
okay.
3 bathrooms. So you can choose one of them.
Okay. And is there a swimming pool in the area?
Yes, we have a large swimming pool. There
Okay.
is a large swimming pool
Nice.
in the area. And not only that, we
Yeah.
have a large yard too, so you can have fun with your family.
Beautiful. I like the apartment. Hey, is there a garage like in the basement? Is there a basement with garage?
Yes,
Okay.
there is a basement with garage in the apartment.
Great, beautiful. And how many windows are there in the apartment?
Where in this, there are 4 windows. Yes, there are 4 windows in that apartment.
4 windows.
Yeah.
Okay. And when can I see it?
Well, you can see it. What about tomorrow? Are
Tomorrow.
you free tomorrow?
Great. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow
Yeah.
Tuesday is perfect. And
Perfect.
excuse me, how much is the apartment?
Well, it's approximately, it is 2,000 millions.
$2,000? Wow. That's very expensive for an apartment. Okay.
It's a big apartment.
It's a big apartment, yes,
Yeah, with
in Manhattan.
there are,
yes.
yes,
Big apartments in Manhattan are expensive.
yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Where you're welcome.
Okay, goodbye now.
See you soon.